Hey, and welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about how to create your thank you page. Well, what is it, a thank you page, you might ask. Well, what it is after you create your capture page and you use your capture page to get leads, how I said in the previous video. When somebody is opting in on your capture page, then they will go to the next step, and that next step is your thank you page. Okay, or some people, I mean, you can call it sales page as well. I like to call it thank you page. Okay, so basically what it is the next step after they opt in, and it's very easy to do, super simple, and should take just a few minutes to explain. So again, we are in lead pages, back office, and let's choose we are under templates. Yeah, so you hit templates and this is what you're going to see. Again, we have all the pages that we can create here. We're not going to use the thank you page. I know it's a little bit confusing because I call it a thank you page, but I'm not using thank you page. I'm using sales pages. So hit that. And I like to, myself and Erica would like to use video video sales pages, thank you pages for our funnel. Okay, so you can choose which one you want. I'm telling you which one I use and the one that is working best for us. We use this simple video sales page here. So select it. Again, no thanks. Let it do its thing. It's very important to have a video, and I'll explain to you why in a minute. So how you see this page is pretty simple. We'll have a video here and a button underneath. I mean, it's super simple. There are no distractions whatsoever. So first thing I do, I get rid of this. So just come up here, click the gear over there and hide it. Okay, nothing. No, we don't want any distractions. The next thing is I'm going to take this out because we don't support Amex. So this would be misleading. So I'll take that off. Okay, let me just, okay, I clicked on it now. Where is that little gear? Well, I don't want that. Let's see, guarantee image. I'll just go do it from here. So you can do it either from here. If sometimes it doesn't work, just go on the left hand side here. You have this menu and you can access, you have access to all this from the left hand side. So guarantee image, click the gear and hide. I just hide that. Legal information, the same here. We put the income disclaimer. It's exactly, yeah, you'll do it the same you did it for your capture page. So you just select it and make sure you link it to your income disclaimer link. Yeah, open link in the new tab and hit done. So it's pretty straightforward. This is how the page is going to look like, right? Now the video, what video we put in here? Myself and Eka, we always create a bridge video, we call it. So basically it's a bridge video between us and what we have to offer. Okay, because I mean it's cool to use let's say Empower Networks videos straight away, like Dave Wood and stuff, commission loophole one. You can use that. But we found that you get better results when you create a bridge video. Basically, a bridge video is we introduce ourselves, we talk about ourselves a little bit, our story before we got online, what we went through, you know, through the business and stuff. You know, it was never, you know, wasn't easy all the time. So and where we are right now, our results and so on. So basically, just try to connect with, try to let people see who we are. Yeah, and then here we would put the company's video, which in our case will be Empower Network, and in your case as well, Empower Network Commission of David Wood video. Okay, how you can create a bridge video if you're not comfortable to be in front of the camera. You can create a PowerPoint presentation with slides with yourself, and you just record yourself and you talk over the slides. So you're not in front of the camera, you're just talking. So it's super simple to use. It's super simple to use. But anyway, so let's say you have the video done. You have to host the video somewhere, either YouTube. I don't like YouTube. I really don't like YouTube at all. I use Vimeo or Vimeo, however you want to call it. It's super cool. It's really nice. You have so many options, you know, to customize your video, to embed it and stuff. So it's really neat. And I find that they are nicer people than YouTube as well over there. So yeah, that's what I use. So after you have your video, you hosted it on Vimeo, let's say Vimeo, you will get the embed code from there. Okay, it's pretty self-explanatory in Vimeo. So you get your embed code, and then you'll have to paste it here. Okay, so what you do, you hit this image, you know, where the video is, hit options. I have an embed code already copied, so I'm just going to paste it here. So you just paste, there you go. And another thing you have to do after you pasted your embed code, you have to change the size. Yeah, I recommend the size A50 by 518 pixels. So you go to width and I'll change that. Just that simple, 850. And then we go to height and we change that to 518. 518 and done. Yeah, our video is there. Now, this button here, you can edit the same way. Hit it, options, and you can change copy. Click here to, I know, let's say access the 3-step system. Yeah, whatever you are talking about in your video. These are for examples purposes, obviously. But whatever you talk about it in your bridge video, that's what you're going to. You have to tell people what to do next. Don't assume they know what to do. Tell them what to do. Yeah, click here to access the system. Click here to get the, I don't know, the PDF file, whatever you have. Click here to access the audio, whatever your hook is. Yeah, remember hooks and magnets from the previous video, capture page video. Okay, and so this is the text. Then you will put a link, yeah, whatever that video is located. And if you use the David Wood video, for example, you just go to, I think it's empowernetwork.com/commission loophole question mark ID equals your ID name, something like that. But you have it in your back office. Okay, so you take that URL, you paste it here, select this button. Of course, I don't have a URL, so that's why it says present a valid URL. Open link in the new window tab and hit done. Okay, and that's all it is to it. Let's save it. Of course, we didn't give it a name. See, you can even do it here, but if you forget to do it, like I did now, when you click save, we'll ask you for a name. So the same, let's say vid test 1. I'll just say that just for example, as an example, and then of course change the URL to look nice, and we'll just say just vid, or you can say whatever you want. Okay, so hit done, and now we save. So don't worry, I'm going to mention something in a minute. Let this save now. No worries if you can't see the video, like a thumbnail of your video after you pasted the embed code. It's totally fine. It's absolutely fine. Okay, and you can go into publish, and then with this link, I'm going to use this link in the next video when I'm going to integrate the capture page with the autoresponder. Remember, we talked about it in the first video. So capture page creation, thank you page creation, and in the next video I'm going to talk about integration. Okay, so basically we want, when somebody opts in on your capture page, you want them to go in an autoresponder on a list. We use Aweber on a list, so you can send them automatic emails or broadcast as well, emails whenever you want. Okay, you have to build your list, you have to collect leads. Okay, and that's all it is to it. So if we hit view page, you'll see that the video will just start.
We're Alex and Erica Udanu.
Yeah, that's our pup Lucy. So how you see, I mean, this video, it's all about us, our story, and we try to connect with people on a more personal level. Okay, then you know, try to, like, after they opt in, to send them straight to Davewood or a company video. Okay, we just bridge the capture page with the company video with this video. Okay, and again, how you see, it's a PowerPoint presentation and Erica's voiceover, so it's super simple. Okay, and yeah, this is the page. Super easy. This is what we do. Works super good and very easy to do as well, how you've seen. So yeah, how I said, this is the thank you page. We've created a capture page, we've created a thank you page. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to integrate the capture page and make everything work. Okay, I'll catch you on the next video. Until then, take care.